Hi there! In this video, you will learn how to assemble the stackable Chákar by Comfur. Let's begin. First, you must screw the camlock screws to the piece A, which would be the bottom of the Chákar. Now, do the same with piece B. Now, bring in piece C and place the crab hinges. Screw the hinges into piece D as shown. Now adjust the female camlock screws with their arrows pointing outwards. Now, join piece A and piece D. Don't forget to align the grooves. Bring in piece E and do the same as before. Now, slide piece F into the grooves. Like before, adjust the female camlock screws with their arrows pointing outwards. Finally, join piece B into Chákar and adjust. You may have to press the pieces together for them to fit. Congratulations, you did it! Time to enjoy your Chákar.